Hey guys, Xwayne here, and another video on No Man's Sky. We're going to probably have quite a few of these. Sometimes they're my episode journeys, and those episode journeys are basically my story path, my journey. I'll have some other videos, some tips and tricks as I learn them, and maybe do a showcase of planets or something. But this is going to be another episode journey because we just landed on this planet, and I probably don't got the name correct, but it's called Tosdaliam Nuzai. We're starting to run low on storage. We can move our ship from planet to planet. But so far we landed on this. I change direction of my path sometimes, but the neat thing about this game is that you can go to planet, and I watched a few other videos, some research, and there's some good base building. So once we get to that part of the game, we will definitely start building a base on some planet. I kind of like this one because of the jungle. We're going to walk around for a little bit, just take a look. So join me, guys. Still collecting sodium. And of course, analyzing things on different planets. Old bones, I think. Damaged machinery, a buried module. Another buried module. Fungal clusters. Unknown. So we're just exploring the planet here today. I might have to write a list of exploring different planets, and I don't think I could explore everyone, but you never know. That'll be carbon. So whenever you get to a new planet, there's going to be a lot of analyzing. It probably does good for your stats and character. So I do love the analyzing helmet. I know it's not called that, but so if you look at my shield, which is the green bar over here, and then there's an arrow right in front of it, that's because the toxic is moving at a higher speed, and sometimes those could be 2 arrows, 3 arrows. So but as it gets day, it's a little less. So always collecting birch height dust. Now if I just hold the button down, there's something there. Let's take a look. Well, that shield is really not, which is carbon. Oh, yeah. On the shield is carbon, and so is the carbon on the our mining tool, and then it's oxygen for our life support. Those are the three main things you got to worry about. So as we're exploring this planet, Tosdaliam Nuzai, I love the green. Now, how they made it so that there's literally thousands and millions of planets all to explore. I mean, and hopefully they're not all the same, but I don't think they are, but I like that this one is just really plant life and green, and that's what we're getting on this planet. So this video is going to probably be my exploration of this planet. Every new planet I go to, I'm going to probably do an exploration video. You always need carbon. And condensed carbon. I forget which one it works a little bit stronger, more focused. So I am really enjoying the game. Right now we're exploring the planet, collecting some I had already examined those. Those are biological entity. Now, I'm playing in normal mode, but it still says that you can see other players out there, but it's very rare because they could be on any given planet, and there's thousands as far as I understand. And I haven't run into anyone, but I did watch a video, and one person came on to someone, and they met them, and it was interesting because it was one of those rare occurrences. So chances are that I won't see people, but if I do, that's good. There is an option to play with friends, but for the most part, I've always played these games by myself, but if I run into people, that's cool. So this video is basically just to explore, get some good visuals of the planet. and I'll label it that way in my video so that kind of like my review of the planet. And as you can see, very green. This area right here almost looks like it would be a great place for a base right here. That's something I would do. I am looking for a planet that I'm going to build a massive base on. Also, a hazardous flora. I ran into one of those before and they were kind of dangerous. So we're going to stay away. This might be food. So I think we're going to run this into a two-parter just because I like to really explore the planet a little bit. Our ship is in that direction there. Anyways, guys, join me for part 2. I don't want to run it too long on this video, so we're gonna enter part 2. Join us for our journey missions so that you can see how my story is going. This is an exploration of this planet, Tosdaliam Nuzai. I really won't get that name right, but anyways, see you on part 2, guys.